Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can claim the Earned Income credit in the TurboTax. So this is the most updated information. So as you can see on my screen right now, this is directly from TurboTax Help. And it says Earned Income credit updated about 15 hours ago. So this is very recent and accurate. Now, a lot of people think there's a button where you manually apply for the Earned Income credit, but that's actually not how TurboTax works. According to the TurboTax, they will just automatically figure out if you qualify for the Earned Income credit and include it in your tax return for you. So once you're inside the TurboTax account, all you really need to do is follow the prompts. So that means you have to enter your income correctly, answer the personal and filling status questions, and then add your dependents on the qualifying children if you have any. So TurboTax uses your answers to check eligibility in the background, and if you qualify, the earned income credit will automatically applied to your return. So you don't need to search for it manually to turn it on. So if you want to double check, you can go to the earned income credit section inside the TurboTax, but again, the system handles it for you. So if you're eligible and everything is filled out correctly, you won't miss it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.